In this episode, I'm going to give you some pointers on how to select a reputable replacement window and patio door contractor. I'm Frank G, and this is the 2-Minute Window. Making sure you select a reputable and capable replacement window and patio door company is so important because the expertise and the integrity of your replacement window and patio door contractor will play a huge role in determining the final outcome of your project. To assist you in this process, we at Jantech Windows have put together a checklist to help you vet the replacement window contractors that you'll be talking to. This checklist is based on our experience of working with thousands of window and patio door customers over the last 26 years. So whether you're looking for wood-clad, aluminum, composite, or vinyl replacement windows, the checklist will help you identify various criteria to look for when you're selecting your replacement window contractor. You can find the printable checklist on our website, but now I want to give you an overview of the 7 important factors that you want to use before you select your contractor. Factor number 1, what is the contractor's business information, the experience and the expertise on replacing windows? The contractor should provide you with a copy of their contractor license, and if the name on the contractor license is different from what you have on your estimate, find out why. Ask how many years the contractor's been in business and under that business name. Ask how many replacement windows the contractor has installed in the last year. Second factor, research customer references and reviews. Check the contractor's Google listings for their reviews and their ratings. The contractor should provide you also with at least 20 good references from customers. Check the contractor's Facebook page and other social media pages and posts from customers. Is the contractor an accredited member of the Better Business Bureau and in good standing with an A rating at least? When you're researching social media and online reviews and ratings and references, pay attention to the key satisfaction of components like, would they use the contractor again? Did the customer enjoy the experience? Was the customer happy with the product style and options? Was the customer happy with the price? If there are issues, was the customer made to be happy in the end? I recommend that the contractor should have a 10-to-1 ratio of good to bad reviews at worst, and should have responded favorably to the bad reviews. And factor number 3, research the products that the contractor is going to use. Who manufactures the replacement window contractor, the products that the replacement window contractor is going to put into your home? And do these have good reviews in the marketplace? Are products backed by competitive warranties? Will the contractor handle any of the product warranty issues, or do you have to go deal with the manufacturer after the fact? Factor number 4, understand the installation workmanship warranty. An installation workmanship warranty should cover issues that could arise, such as window operation issues, leaks, structural problems, etc. The minimum workmanship warranty by law in most states is 1 year. You should know what is the duration of the replacement window contractor's workmanship warranty. What specifically does the replacement window warranty cover? What happens in the event that a repair is needed? Is there going to be a fee, a labor charge? Who pays for the materials and things like that? Factor number 5. What are the installation practices and processes that your contractor is going to follow? Does a replacement window contractor have any installation or construction practices that distinguishes them from the competition? For instance, they're going to cart away all the debris, or they will provide capping included in their price, or are they going to charge you extra? Things like that. You also want to know, is the replacement window contractor, do they utilize subcontractors or their own employees to install your windows and patio doors? Note, if they're going to use subcontractors, they're going to require their own insurance and licenses and EPA certifications. The 6th factor is, what is the project plan? The replacement window contractor should present a package containing their credentials that we talked about and essential documents before the project begins. A copy of their contractor's license, the insurance certificate, and the insurance certificate for any subcontractors as well. If your house was built before 1978, the EP lead certification for pre-1978 residences. And they need to give you, in that case, a EPA Renovate Right pamphlet for pre-1978 residences. The contractor should also confirm all the window sizes. List the exact style and location of each window on your contract or patio door on your contract. List the options that are included for the windows and the patio doors. They should list the type of installation and any remediation work for each opening. A copy of the warranty for your project should be included. Factor number 7, pricing and contract. So after assessing the scope of work that is for the product and the installation requirements, the replacement window contractor should provide you with a formal written estimate or quotation. Upon your decision to move forward with this contractor for your project, the replacement window contractor should provide you with a separate, detailed contract. That is a legal contract that documents all of the requirements for performance, that is the scope of work and the price for all of the work from the estimate, with the additional details that are specific, like are there exclusions? Where is the legal jurisdiction for the contract? They should include a 3-day right of rescission, which is required in most states, all part of the contract. If changes are going to be made to the scope of work prior to or during the start of work, these changes will be approved by you and documented in a formal change order, not word of mouth. And any change in price, up or down, based on the change in the scope of work, will be reflected. Any change order will become part of your contract. One big warning, never sign the estimate. Avoid going into an agreement with a handwritten summary estimate. That's going to lack all the details of a legal contract. This is a tactic that some contractors try to use to make their initial price of the project seem lower than what it's actually going to be, and also to avoid being held to task in the event that something should go wrong. For an in-depth explanation of the pricing of replacement windows for your project, look at our blog article that's titled "The Cost of Replacement Windows and Patio Doors," which can be found on our website, www.jantechwindows.com, and along with plenty more information to assist you with researching your replacement window project. Well, I hope you will find this helpful in your quest to finding the perfect replacement window and patio door contractor. That's it for this episode. So until next time, I'm Frank G. And remember, save energy, capture comfort.